How to buy Amazon Prime on your iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can buy Amazon Prime on your iPhone, so just make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to buy Amazon Prime Premium on your iPhone, just open up your Safari browser and then you simply want to come to primevideo.com. I will also make sure to drop a direct link down below. Now if you have not yet created an account, you can do so right away by tapping on the sign in option, or else you could just tap on the option called start your free trial over here. Currently there is a free trial, but by the time you watch this video there could not be free trial. So if you have not yet created Amazon account, you can basically just tap on the create new account, or you can simply go ahead and then sign into your existing free account of Prime Video or Amazon. So once I've entered my Prime Video credentials, all I have to do is just tap on the sign in button here, and then once I tap on the sign in button, it will basically take me to a next page where I can simply enter my card information. So go ahead and then make sure to choose your card information, such as the name on your card or your card number, as well as the expiration date and the expiration year of that specific card. If your information is correct, make sure to review it, tap on the add your card button here, and then you'll be able to successfully follow other instructions and then buy the Amazon Prime Premium membership from your iPhone. That's all it takes to subscribe and buy Amazon Prime membership on iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.